Hello everyone! Changing diets or starting new eating regimens can leave people feeling confused and uncertain. They often wonder whether they are getting enough nutrients or if their choices might negatively affect their health. This is where Nutri steps in. Our app tracks both macro and micronutrients, visually displaying them in real time through a unique dynamic bubble interface. Each nutrient is represented as a bubble, changing its size based on consumption, larger for excess and smaller for deficiency. Colors shift from green, which is optimal, to red, which is deficiency or excess, giving users an immediate overview of their nutritional status on a single screen. But Nutri does more than just track. It's powered by AI that provides personalized recommendations based on your nutrition balance. Whether you're lacking vitamin D or consuming too much sodium, the app doesn't just highlight the issue, it teaches you how to address it. Our goal is to empower users, making it easier to adopt new diets and eliminate uncertainty about their nutrition. Thank you.